So as part of our work with IEBC, we invited Jordan to join us for our second annual Student Equity Retreat last fall. And this was an exciting time because the first retreat was the beginning, the first opportunity for the campus to come together and talk about equity. And we knew that when we coordinated the second annual retreat, we wanted to be more intentional and we wanted to really focus on data. And so Jordan joined our campus community to really introduce the power of data and its role in closing equity gaps. And he did a great job in breaking down the different types of data into really manageable ways that people could understand. We had a very robust conversation about leading and lagging indicators. We talked about why those are important to an accurate understanding of data, and really how that then leads to best practices in increasing data use campus-wide. I have to tell you that after that retreat, the campus community was very, very excited, and we were very lucky that many of our executive council members and our president and everyone was together really developing a common understanding about how powerful the use of data can be in really transforming the student experience. So for us, I think this set a great foundation for us as a campus to continue our efforts. And so after Jordan facilitated the Student Equity Retreat, this sparked a campus-wide student equity book club or book discussion, right? Where we have faculty and administrators who are coming together regularly to discuss the various principles and topics in the book, Creating a Data-Informed Culture in Community Colleges. And I have to tell you that it is exciting to see people come together on a regular basis to really digest the principles and to talk about their experience. But even more importantly, it is really critical and exciting to see people from human resources and fiscal services and the faculty and student services all talking together about how we have to have a comprehensive approach to this work. And so I will tell you, even over the very specific examples that I might be able to provide for you, I am excited as a vice president to see the cultural shift in our campus, that people are running to data and not from it. And so I would say that we're grateful to IEBC for creating the space and the opportunity for our campus to change our culture and around data.